In the last section, we discussed properties of logarithms and talked about the rules. Now let's put those rules into practice and solve a few problems that will require us to simplify expressions based on what we know. In the first example here, we have log base 10 of 3x to the fourth times y squared. Using the following property, we know that we can write log base 10 of 3 plus log base 10 of x to the fourth plus log base 10 of y squared. But we're not done there, because we can use this property to simplify this even further. Since the x and the y both have exponents on them, we can simplify this as follows. Log base 10 of 3 plus 4 log base 10 of x plus 2 log base 10 of y. Let's do another one of these. For this problem we have log base 10 of 3x to the fourth y squared divided by xy. Using this property of logarithms, we can rewrite this initially as log base 10 of 3x to the fourth y squared minus log base 10 of xy. Now we can take a look at each term here and break that down further. Since the first term here is basically just the problem that we had above, we can easily see what the answer would be. But let's go over it again here. We can write the first term as log base 10 of 3 plus log base 10 of x to the fourth plus log base 10 of y squared. And then we have the second term, which is minus log base 10 of xy. Dropping down below, we can simplify that first term even further like we did for the problem above. We can write log base 10 of 3 plus 4 times log base 10 of x plus 2 times log base 10 of y. Then for the second term, we can apply this property again and write in parentheses log base 10 of x plus log base 10 of y. You may already be able to see where we're going with this, but you could simplify this expression by combining like terms as follows. Since you have a 2 times log base 10 to the y here and a minus log base 10 to the y here, you can simplify this to log base 10 to the y. And because you have a log base 10 of x here minus a log base 10 of x here, you can simplify this to 3 times log base 10 of x. So the final answer ends up being log base 10 of 3 plus 3 times log base 10 of x plus log base 10 of y. Now, we just solved this by breaking it down using the properties of logarithms. But if you'll notice here, inside the parentheses, we have 3x to the fourth times y squared over xy. So is there anything to prevent us from canceling out one of the x's and one of the y's to give us log base 10 of 3x cubed times y? What I'd like for you to do is pause the video and actually start from there, then use the property of logarithms to simplify log base 10 of 3x cubed times y, and see if you get the answer that we got below. So what answer did you come up with? Hopefully this will help you remember that there's more than one way to solve a problem. This fact serves as a frustration for a lot of students, but it's actually a good thing. Because when there are several ways to do a problem, there are several ways to check and make sure you got the right answer. If your results agree, that's further reinforcement that you've arrived at the correct solution. Let's work a couple of similar problems, this time using natural logarithms. For this first problem we have natural log of x cubed times y. Using the analogous property that we used for base 10 logarithms, we can rewrite this as natural log of x cubed plus the natural log of y. And just like we did before, we can use this property to rewrite this as 3 times natural log of x plus the natural log of y. I think you're starting to see how straightforward these are, but let's work one more problem for the sake of completeness. In this problem we have natural log of x squared divided by y. Using this property, we can write natural log of x squared minus the natural log of y. The natural log of x squared term can be rewritten according to this property as 2 times the natural log of x, and then we have the minus natural log of y left over. So now we know how to apply the properties of logarithms to actual problems to simplify them. Let's break here. When we come back, we'll see how to actually solve some problems.